Hand fight. It's there. It's there. It's there. Misdirect them. Misdirect. Misdirect. Yep. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Up to it. Elbow pass by. Pass it by. Elbow pass by.
Pressure into him, Jacob.
Hey, let's go.
Pressure.
Club zig, club zig. Club zig, club zig. Give me one, give me one. You gotta go. Hey. 10 seconds. Hey, let's go. Sprawl, snap, take it, drive. Hey, what are we waiting for? Oh boy, I hit my eye. Hey, hey.
No, Jacob, come on, work for something.
Engage! Engage! Take it!
There you go. Nice.
Mary turn!
Take it back.
Hold! Cover, cover, cover! No! No! No!
Keep it going! Keep it going! Don't worry about that.
Club zig! Club zig! Heavy hands! Engage! Right there.
Jacob, we already know. He's not going to shoot. Come on, we already know.
He's not going to shoot. Let's go.
Work on your offense.
Jacob, wrestle.
He's not going to shoot on you, Jacob. Come on, work for something.
Snap down. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hand fight, do something.
Do some fakes.
Jacob, you gotta go. Make it happen, yes. Snap down. Elbow pass by, taco.
Did I misdirect again?
Arm drag. Snap, snap. Fake the snap. Yep. Hey, that's your shot right there. Give me a takedown.
There you go. Run it.
Iranian.
There you go. Stay on top. Stay on top. Run him out.
Control.
Control him.
Control. 5 seconds. Control.
Coaches and wrestlers, please keep the staging area clear. Watch from the stands. You go to the match, watch from the stands.
Up, up. Keep that and come up.
There you go.
Place him.
Get a one. Get
Up,
a one.
get him up, up, up. Hey, the time never started.
Time.
Hey, wrestle, wrestle. I'm gonna beat this kid down. Hey. We're neutral. We're neutral.
You got a one.
Flatten them out. Nope. Break them down. Break them down.
To the leg. Oh,
Anchor. Anchor. Anchor.
there you go.
Hips.
Walk it up. Walk it up.
Power out.
Other way, Jacob.
It's all right.
Okay, keep going.
Keep going. You can go out.
Keep going. Keep going.
Get your leg out.
Get that leg out.
Get your leg out. Run it. Hold.